Okay, we're working, delivering pizza. Me and Leo.
Pizza.
And there's somebody sleeping here. Look, look.
You know, you need buy a lot.
What do you want to say?
I don't have nothing to say.
So what's it gonna be? You want to buy her the guy lap dance?
My cock piercing is way more.
If you have a cock piercing, it's like all the way.
You want to buy the lap dance for the guy?
You got $70?
$70?
70. If you give me 30, I dance for you. I have 30. I have 30.
How much is he charging you?
They want 40. Do you have $10?
Oh, he wants 40?
Are you gonna pay any money for this to happen?
Smoking weed. That's more interesting to film.
Oh, look at that guy smoking weed right
Like
here.
you're from Bulgaria or something, and like
You're gonna do the lap dance. Go.
I'm gonna do the lap dance. You have $20, and we'll have a girl dance, and it'll be fucking cute. You have $20. Do you got that 10? 20?
I have no money.
You're on fucking North
I get paid
Beach.
at night.
You're on North Beach on fucking Saturday night, and you don't have $20. Oh, come on. Come on, I need to buy something.
Where are you from?
The first time I went to a strip
Where am I
club,
from?
Yeah.
I'm from hell.
It was so fun because like.
So you're from hell. What are you doing in heaven?
Dancing like they was tipping.
It's not heaven.
You know, like I'm in
Where is
here,
it?
and I'm just like.
I'm from hell.
Then where are you at right now?
Your soul pieces. You have no idea.
What are you doing here?
You have no Bulgaria.
Okay, I'm gonna make a translator. I'm gonna make a translator em português for you guys. Esse cara é um viado. Ele quer $20 pra comer o cu dele. Ele quer dinheiro. O cara quer dinheiro pra comer o cu dele. O cara é viado. Ele quer $20 pra comer o cu dele. Quer $20 pra pegar ele, é doido. Okay, thank you. My name is...
No, wait.
Hablamos espanhol. Can't wake up the dude. Shit. Hey, wake him up, bro. Wake him up, wake him up.
Give him a lot.
Hey, buddy. What up?
Oh, that is so hot. That is like, that is like, dude's gone wild. You belong to me. Every goes on. Pay $20.
Hey, buddy. You're going on YouTube. Hey, what's your name? Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Okay, so there's my boss trying to wake up the guy. He's mad because I keep recording. And he's trying to wake up the guy, but the guy won't wake up. This is my boss and the guy trying to wake him up. And this beautiful lady right here. Say bye, say bye.
No, he might seriously need help.
Wake him up, wake him up. Wake up your phone.
No, he might seriously need help.
Can you get our beer now?
Where's the kid?
No, where's the beer? Get the beer.
You look like you came from hell.
Here, I did come from hell.
You come from hell too?
Get us a beer.
Holy shit, he's drooling. Look.
Get us the beer.
Kiss him in the mouth.
I will take your camera away.
What?
Get us the beer.
Kiss him in the mouth.
Maybe Samuel Adams spray. Beer.
Give me one.
Because we spent so much time on your.
Talk to him up.
No.
Hey, don't take the beer. Oh, I got you on camera. You're stealing.
I want.
Look at this. I got you on camera stealing.
I'm not. You're like 15. You work here, right?
No, I'm 21. Look at this guy caught stealing.
That's my beer.
Oh.
Hey, Sarge, they shooting at me.
Yeah, he said we can have a beer.
Take it. That's that one. Ito color ko yun.
Look at my eyes. Come on. Stand, man. I got you.
We gotta go. He's closing.
I got you. Come on.
Let's go. Take your son's hand. Take your son's hand. Go. Let's go.
Hey man, have a great night. Thanks for coming here. And thanks for having pizza with us. And it's been a really nice night. If you like ladies of the night, there are plenty next door.
Oh, dude.
They have no moral compulsion. For $20 of that. It's amazing. Hey, we'll go, man. Hey, do you want some sunglasses?
There you go.
Alright, cool, man. Well, hey, have a really good night. Take care, man. Yeah, sure, man.
Bye, man. Shake my hand. Take a picture. My buddy right here.
He's drunk. Keep it drunk.
Yeah. All right, buddy. See you later. Have a good night. He's out.
Out the house with my swagger, hop in that whip, yo, I got places to go. People to see, time is precious. I look at my Cartier out of control. Just like my mind where I'm going, the women, the shorties know nothing but clothes. No stopping at my Pirelli's on. Unlike my jewelry that's always on. I know the storm is coming, my pockets keep telling me it's gonna shower. Call up my homies, it's on and popping the night cause it's meant to be ours. We keep a fadeaway shot cause we ballin' this platinum Patron every hour. Lil' mama, ow, you just like the flowers. Girl, you the truth with all that goody power. Beautiful to be, it's going down. From the top of the pole, I watch her go. She got me throwing my money up. Ain't nothing more beautiful to be, it's going down.
And that's it, everybody. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Shawty must know I'm the man. My money lover like a #1 fan. Don't open my mouth, let her talk to my fans. My Benjamin Franklin's. A couple of